Welcome to the Armbruster Packing and Moving School. This is the correct way to wrap up a cord on anything that you're going to pack or move into the truck. Grab the cord at the base of the object, wrap it around your hands until you have approximately 4 to 6 inches of cord left. You put the cord up, back through the hole. Consider rabbit through the hole. Then you put the end of the cord through the open end and tighten it up. Voila, it's wrapped up. And then, when you're wrapping it up, put it at the end of the lamp and put paper around it so that it doesn't damage the finish on the lamp, and wrap it up.
Yeah, action.
Hey, welcome back to Armbruster's Packing and Moving School. Here we are wrapping cords up again. We did the lamp prior. Now we're doing an item that is probably not going to get packed in a box, but wrapped in a burlap and loaded into the truck by itself. Once again, the cord needs to be secure so it's not dragging on the ground, damaging the piece, or making the mover trip on the cord if it's dragging on the ground. Once again, put your hand over the cord by the piece. Open your hand up, wrap the cord around your hand until you have roughly 4 to 6 inches of cord left. You take the cord, the end of the cord, and you put it through the hole. Grab the plug end of the cord, put it through that loop, and tighten it up. And you have the cord wrapped up so that it's not dragging.